Hello, can I speak to John?
Hello, this is John speaking, and I am happy to talk with you now.
Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, this is a good time, and I am available to have a conversation with you.
Where are you now?
I am at home right now, and I am relaxing after finishing my work.
What are you doing?
I am resting and checking my phone messages after a busy day.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you clearly, and your voice sounds very good.
Is the line clear?
Yes, the line is clear, and I can understand you without any problem.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am not busy at the moment, so we can talk comfortably.
Can I call you later?
Yes, you can call me later, and I will be free to talk again.
What time should I call you?
You can call me in the evening because I am usually free at that time.
Did you call me earlier?
Yes, I called you earlier, but I think you were busy at that time.
Why did you call me?
I called you because I wanted to discuss something important with you.
Did you leave a message?
Yes, I left a message so you could call me back later.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, I will repeat that slowly so you can understand clearly.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I will speak slowly so it is easier for you to understand.
Can you call me back?
Yes, I will call you back as soon as I finish my work.
Can I speak to your manager?
Yes, please wait a moment while I connect you to my manager.
Who is speaking?
This is Daniel speaking, and I am calling from the office.
Where are you calling from?
I am calling from my workplace to discuss some work-related matters.
Can you hold on?
Yes, I will hold on while you check the information.
Are you still there?
Yes, I am still here and I am listening to you carefully.
Can you send me details?
Yes, I will send you all the details through message or email.
Did you understand me?
Yes, I understood everything you said clearly and correctly.
Can you explain again?
Yes, I will explain again in a simple and clear way.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, I will speak louder so you can hear me better.
Is there any problem?
No, there is no problem. Everything is going smoothly right now.
When will you call me?
I will call you later today when I finish my important tasks.
Can we talk tomorrow?
Yes, we can talk tomorrow when we both have more free time.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I will be free tomorrow and we can have a long conversation.
What time works for you?
The evening time works best for me because I am usually available then.
Can you remind me later?
Yes, I will remind you later so you do not forget our conversation.
What are you doing now?
I am relaxing at home and checking my phone after finishing my daily tasks.
Did you eat dinner?
Yes, I already ate dinner and now I am resting comfortably at home.
Are you free to talk?
Yes, I am free right now and we can talk without any problem.
Where are you going later?
I am planning to stay at home and complete some important work tonight.
Can we talk later?
Yes, we can talk later when I finish my current activity.
Are you at work now?
Yes, I am at work and I am currently working on an important task.
Can you join the meeting?
Yes, I can join the meeting and discuss the project with the team.
Did you complete the task?
Yes, I completed the task and sent all the required details by email.
Can you send the report?
Yes, I will send the report with all the necessary information very soon.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am a little busy, but I can talk for a short time.
What happened?
There is a problem and I need help immediately because the situation is urgent.
Where are you now?
I am at home and I need someone to come and help me quickly.
Are you safe?
Yes, I am safe right now, but I still need assistance as soon as possible.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need help because I cannot solve this problem alone.
Should I call someone?
Yes, please call for help so the situation can be handled quickly.
I want to book a ticket.
Yes, I can help you book a ticket with all the necessary details.
Where do you want to go?
I want to travel to another city for a short and relaxing vacation.
When will you travel?
I plan to travel next week because I will have some free time.
Do you need a hotel?
Yes, I need a hotel booking because I will stay there for a few days.
Can you confirm the booking?
Yes, please confirm the booking and send me all the details.